Yo guys, welcome to Uganda. Yeah, we are still exploring guys, and today we are going to see the greatest lake of Africa by the name Lake Victoria guys. One of the largest lake in Africa and the second world freshwater lake in the world, like the second largest in the world, which is having fresh water guys. You see this is the largest lake of Africa guys, one of the wonders and amazing of Africa. So this side is Coco Beach guys, here in Entebbe, and I came this beach so that I can show you a lot guys, like to explore. And in this beach there is a lot of entertainment. That's why I choose to come here guys. Like, it's so amazing. It's not only about exploring and seeing the beauty of Lake Victoria, but at the same time guys, you can have fun. Like, there is people, like you see people having adventure guys. Like, you can take the ship and you can have at the same time those mini wave runner bike, and at the same time there is another amazing part. I will take you later guys. A lot of music sound is there. I'm scared of copyright, so I will take you to that side. You will see people dancing, and that is why I choose to come to Coco Beach, because in this beach there is a lot of entertainment guys. To come here you have to, on Saturday and Sunday, like the entrance fee is 10,000 in the weekend, and non-weekend days is only 5k guys.